I have no luck. On the 3rd of December, I bought an Audi Q3 from Cardiff and I asked for dash cams to be fitted, which they did. Now, after driving away, I realised they weren't working. This issue alone caused 5 visits to Audi. 3 days later, before it was fixed, the car died. The battery had been drained as Audi had wired the dash cams incorrectly. Roadside assistance came out and of course they restarted the car because, well, it was a brick. 24 hours later, I get warnings on the car. The safety systems are failing and the car would shift into sport mode, which is not as fun as it sounds. I took it back and the lovely lady that greeted me took the key and they performed a quick diagnostic. I should mention that all the staff have been lovely, minus one. As the original nice lady was too busy, another lady who I could see just did not like me. She was so curt and unfriendly. And she told me that they found faults, but they were electrical, so I could drive it, and that I should expect these kind of teething problems on a new car. And the best I could hope for is that Audi release an update. Oh, and bring it back if it happens again. Bye. That night, all the safety systems failed, and 72 hours later, there was an electrical fault on the car. Battery wouldn't charge, and it gave me a warning to take it into the workshop. It was even hinted at that the weather can cause these issues. This is a German car. They have quite harsh winters, so my assumption is that no Audis run in Germany in the winter. On Monday, the 22nd of December, I took the car in to fix these faults. I got it back on the 23rd with a warning. We cannot guarantee this won't happen again. Yesterday, Christmas Day, more safety electrical faults telling me to take it back to the dealer. I have been friendly, understanding, funny, and accommodating, and it's got me nowhere. I'm always polite and I'm always friendly. And that's the issue really, isn't it? The Audi dealer whom I got the car from even admitted it came with a fault due to the technicians wiring things incorrectly. I've made an official complaint to Audi Finance, and that will take between 5 to 8 weeks just for an acknowledgement. And of course, they will continue to take my money until then. Over 220 miles have been put on the car just going back and forth to this dealer. And now I'm left with moderately nice people who indirectly make me feel like I'm an inconvenience. Happy Christmas. Don't buy an Audi.